Honey, how you doing?
Like me?
Yes, sir.
I'm Joe. Doing well. How are y'all?
I'm doing fine, Joe.
I'm Joanne.
Joanne.
Yeah.
These are the nicest people I've ever met.
Well, thank you.
Especially me. I'm the nicest one.
If you need something to drink, I'll be glad to get it for you.
Yes.
You hear me?
Water or anything.
Water,
No,
Dr. Peppers, whatever you want.
Thank you. We have bottled water
Oh.
to pick
But
at.
no margaritas.
Margaritas. That may after a while.
Not yet.
I mean, these guys do this every day. It only takes them about 3 or 4 hours if everything goes right. Joe, you're a movie star today.
And just so you know, James, that's the water soluble ground that you heard me speak of.
Okay.
He's marking his
I'm
depth.
starting to get close ups of it.
Probably.
Can you take over the other?
I would fire the cameras up.
Let's make sure it's in the wide and make that exposure for it.
y'all seen how easy these are, y'all probably want to do some things on the side.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is important.
So that's my little freighty hole.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
That's it right there.
All right.
It's not as, once we put it down in the hole and you go
Doesn't
down
look
in
quite
it,
so small anymore. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want it behind the one in front or behind? Back? Do you want it more forward or am I good? A little lower. There you go. So we have to square it. Your work is Laura's. No, we have to square it. Where's the, right where? We have to get it square in that hole before we can even remotely clamp. Yeah, so you always get it square in the hole. And you can clamp it.
There's the cement truck. Okay, it's been 3 days now. The cement is dry, and there it is right there. There's the finished product. That's our new Flatsafe storm shelter right there. And that's what it looks like right here in our double-car garage. And yes, we have registered our storm shelter with the police department and the fire department, just in case we ever need to be rescued after a major storm. That 27-inch wide entrance door is very heavy. It's made of 1/4-inch solid steel, but it slides back and forth easy enough on heavy-duty roller bearings, and it's sturdy enough and safe enough to walk on, so long as that entrance door is locked. That sliding entrance door protrudes 1/4 inch above the garage floor, and it's vented on all 4 sides. That allows fresh air from the outside to enter the storm shelter on the inside. And located inside that shelter, hanging from the ceiling, Flatsafe has included a small hand winch. Some people would call it a come-along tool. And if for any reason whatsoever that you cannot physically open that heavy sliding door, then that hand winch can do it for you. And now it's time to check it out. What I've got right here is a handrail that they include with the shelter. It's a piece of square steel tubing with a piece of sucker rod welded to it. This is for us older folks. Take the square tubing and put it in this square hole, just like that. Now you have a little handrail to hold on to when you go in and come out of the shelter. And to unlock and open the storm shelter door, there's a pin in this cup. And there's a chain connected to this pin, or a lanyard, so you won't ever lose it. It'll always be there in that cup. Take this pin, insert it in this small hole right here, just like that. And then you just step on it, just like that. And that unlocks it. And you can open the shelter by just giving it a shove with your foot, just like that. And you can step down here and open it on up all the way, just like that. And inside the shelter is this lever right here for unlocking it. Just a small lever there on the inside for unlocking the door. Are you ready, Joanne?
Yes, sir.
Let's do it. Ladies first. There's 5 steps going down into the shelter, and 4 of the steps are removable, so you can make room for other people. Hold on that handrail. All right. Here we go. You know, I think in a real emergency, old grandma and grandpa will probably move a little bit faster. Okay. And here we are, inside of our new Flatsafe storm shelter, right here. Flatsafe was very professional. They did a very good job, and we think their prices are very reasonable. And we are 2 happy little fraidy cats. I mean happy little campers.